Welcome friends to my YouTube channel Tech and Facts, and we will learn how we can install Apache Maven on Windows operating system today. For this you need a prerequisite software Java JDK to be installed in your machine. After this it is very simple and basic. You just have to download the Maven package from Apache website, unzip it, set some system variables and class path. That's it. So let's first quickly check if Java and Maven is installed in your machine or not. For that you need to go to the run, type cmd to open the command prompt, click on that, type Java space hyphen version, which will give you if Java is installed or not. In your machine Java 11 JDK 11 is installed, you can see here. So I need not to install Java again, and I'm good to have a prerequisite to install the Maven. To check if Maven is installed or not, you just have to type mvn space hyphen version. If you click on that, you can see Maven is not recognized, which means on my machine, Maven is not installed. So to install the Maven, you need to download the package of Maven from their website. So you need to open your browser and type Apache Maven download. With this, the first link you can click, which is maven.apache.org download.cgi. This link I have shared in the description as well, so you can refer it later. After opening that page, you can see here binary zip file. This is the link to download the zip file for Windows operating system. You can click on that and it will download the zip file. So quickly we can take that zip file from the downloaded location and you can keep it in one of your disk space. The zip file you need to extract. This extracted file you need to go inside and copy this path. With this path you need to set the environment variable of Maven. For this you need to open system environment variables. So go to run, type environment variable. On top you can see system environment variables, click on that. On the right bottom you can see this environment variables, click on that. Here you need to go to the system variables and click on new, as we are going to add new system variable for Maven. So in the capital letters you need to type Maven, Maven underscore home, and variable value you need to give the path. So you need to click on OK. With this your Maven home is set, and after that you need to go to the path system variable, click on add it. With this you can add new system variable. Here you need to give the Maven home between the modulus and \bin. This will give you the path of your bin directory of Maven home. Click on OK, again OK, and third time OK. So that's it. Your Maven is installed in your Windows operating system, and you can check it by going to the run command, type cmd, open command prompt, again type Maven space hyphen version, mvn space hyphen version, click on that. Here you can say Apache version 3.6.3 is been installed with my Maven home directory and Java versions. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching. For any questions and queries, you can type a comment and I'll try to respond on that as early as possible. Don't miss to like and subscribe if it has helped you. Stay safe and stay healthy.